हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल एजुकेटर वंस। तो जैसा कि हमने क्लास 9 सीबीएसई का एसएसटी का सिलेबस डिस्कस कर ही लिए हैं, तो आज से हम इसका नोट्स बनाना चालू करेंगे। तो आज हम क्लास 9 सीबीएसई के एसएसटी का इकोनॉमिक्स का लेसन 1 द स्टोरी ऑफ विलेज पालमपुर शुरू करने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ पे हम शुरू करते हैं आज का अपना नोट्स। इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ विलेज पालमपुर। पालमपुर इज़ अ स्मॉल विलेज हैविंग about 450 families, in which 80 are of upper caste and one third of the population are SCs, means Dalits. Main production activities. पहला, farming is a main productivity activity in the village Palampur. Most of the peoples are dependent on farming for their livelihood. दूसरा, the first requirement of farming is land and another natural resource. तीसरा, the second requirement of farming is labor to do work. Third, the third requirement of farming is physical capital. Capital are fixed capital, working capital. Fixed capital means invest on tools, floor, generator, machine, building, computer, turbine. These all are fixed capital. Working capital, buying raw material and money in hand, all are working capital. Palampur is a small village 3 kilometers away from Raiganj, a big village, and Sahpur is the nearest town to the village. Farming activities of or farming in Palampur. Land area under cultivation is virtually fixed. However, some wasteland in India had been converted into cultivated land after 1960. Uses of modern method of farming allowed the farmer to produce more crop in the same land. First way is multiple cropping and the second way is modern farming system. First, multiple cropping. It is a way to grow more than one crop in the same land in 1 year. Second, modern farming system. HYV seeds produce much greater amount of grain on a single plant. The Green Revolution in the late of 1960, productivity of land has increased sustainability. Farmers of Punjab and Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh were the first to try out the modern method of farming in India. Palampur have a well-developed irrigation system. One third of 450 families are landless and 240 families are cultivated over a small piece of land. Labor. After land, the labor is next basic factor of production. All categories of farmers borrow from the large farmers, means landlords of the village. Small farmers work as own labor, but medium and large farmers make use to hire laborers for their work in field. They don't do their own work. Capital. After land and labor, capital is another basic factor of production. All categories of farmer required capital. Is a small farmer borrow from big farmer or the money lenders for some money. Sales of surplus farm products. Farmer produce crop on their land by using the three factors of production. Example, land, labor and capital. The retain a part of proved used for self-consumption and sell the surplus in the nearby market. The part of farm produce which is sold in the market is called market surplus. Small farmers have little surplus output. It is a big or medium farmer only who sustainable surplus produce for selling in the market. Non-farm activities in Palampur. Out of every 100 workers in rural areas in India, only 24 are increased with non-farm activities. There is a variety of non-farm activities in village. Example, dairy, small manufacturing, transport, etc. पहला, dairy. Dairy is a common activity in rural areas or in village. दूसरा, shopkeeper. People involved in exchange of goods are not many in Palampur. Palampur traders buy various goods from wholesale market in cities and sell them in village. Example, rice, sweet, sugar, tea, cloth, dresses, बिस्किट, स्लीपर, सैंडल, मोबाइल, etc. Transport. A fast developing sector is the transport. There are varieties of vehicles on the road map for go to one place to another place, like rickshaw, taxi, bus, train, bike, etc. सो फ्रेंड्स, इन दिस वे वी विल डिस्कस द नोट्स ऑफ लेसन फर्स्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स। यहाँ पे हमारा आज का नोट्स कंप्लीट होता है। तो आपसे बस यही गुजारिश है, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और इसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें, ताकि हम ऐसी मोटिव अच्छे से मन लगाकर पढ़ सके। सो आज का वीडियो में यहाँ पे ख़त्म करते हैं।